You know how in Avengers, Tony Stark pushes a button to get his car and the vehicle just pulls up automatically to where he's standing at Avengers HQ? That's what Tesla's Smart Summon feature is supposed to do. Now, we've seen plenty of videos of people using it to make their cars come and get them, and then marveling at how magical it all seemed. The future is here! Or so we thought. A few Tesla owners haven't had great luck with Smart Summon. In fact, they've had some very near misses and almost lost their cars in the process. One of them posted a video to Twitter showing how his summoned car pulled out in front of oncoming traffic, narrowly avoiding a collision in its attempt to get to its destination. Another owner shared a clip of their Tesla backing up and nearly slamming into another vehicle. Ooh boy, just watching that makes me nervous. Now, there could be some user error at play here. Smart Summon requires owners to watch out for oncoming traffic and release the summon button if they spot an obstacle. It seems some Tesla owners aren't aware that they need to pay attention and not simply rely on the car to maneuver on its own. Also, we should point out that in Tesla's own promotional videos, Smart Summon is shown being used in fairly empty parking lots where traffic is less of an issue. In the real world, though, things aren't always so neat and tidy. It's possible that navigating tight spaces like that is just too advanced at the moment. Granted, these are just 2 recorded incidents we've seen so far, but when it comes to matters of life and death, even 1 incident is too many. Are self-driving cars gonna kill us all one day? Or do you think we should just give Elon Musk and other tech leaders some time to figure things out? Whatever it is, you should subscribe to Engadget for all the latest developments so you know what our future will look like. And as always, thank you for watching.